Hey everyone, this is Harshvardhan Gaikwad from HGPA Classes Pune. Well, this video is specifically for CMA students, intermediate and final. The CMA students are in a bit of panic situation right now. We all know the fuzz happening around in the CMA students fraternity. Regarding specially 4 points. The first one being the examination pattern. Second, the issue of admit cards. The third, the admit cards which have been issued, but the examination center is very far. And the fourth point is that there are many students who got the messages that the exams have been rescheduled in the month of January 2022. I would like to stress upon the last 2 points in this video. The third point, which is very important, and that is the admit cards which have been issued to the students and whose examination center is very far. Now, when I say very far, it's like more than 40-50 kilometers. The CMA exam is not one day. It is at a stretch. We need to travel there every day. So it is impossible for these students to go travel every day at such a long distance. So the CMA students need to mail the institute. You need to mail them. Unless and until you don't mail them, they are not going to take the cognizance of the same. So just request them that yes, the examination center is very far. So can we have an option of changing it? Or can you find out a new examination center? So you need to put up these things in the mail ID so that they will understand the difficulty faced by you. The fourth point which was there about the rescheduling of the examination, that is not applicable for everyone. Now yes, it's a very awkward situation because many students will give the examination right now and many students will give in the month of Jan. So yes, it is going to be an awkward situation, but we cannot help it out because there is no official circular from the ICAI. There is nothing at all at the official website. So right now what we can do is the students who have got the admit cards, at least they can mail the institute regarding the change of examination centers because it is very far. We cannot travel that much every day. So yes, I'll put the mail IDs in the description box. Make sure you mail the institute because that is what is needed at this point of time. Okay, thank you so much.